Hello, welcome to another silly little video on my YouTube channel. This is some behind the scenes videos of my Prince Caspian shoot that I did at Icon Photo Fest with Brie. Emmy filmed a crazy amount of content for me and she looked like she had a lot of fun, so I thought I would do a whole video of all of these shots because some of them are really funny. So thank you Emmy for filming all of these. It was great. And this shoot happened on my birthday, so it felt really special. I hope you enjoy the video. Yeah, thanks so much for watching.
Hey Harley, can you give us a wave? Hi. Hi. She is zooming. Hold on, I'm just gonna get in and get a shot of this. She is zooming. Zooming. There's river there, but also pipe. Why pipe? I don't know. But it's zooming time. Now I'm recording. Go. Yeah. Oh, hey puppy.
Whose horse is that?
Hey puppy.
Hello. You seem friendly.
Very friendly. Look, he's excited.
No, you enjoying the rain?
There's so many people. See you later. Bye.
Like leaning out. You okay?
I got that on camera. That was recorded. Oh, hey, puppy. Yeah. He's gonna join in. Ooh. Scary.
Yeah, that looks nice.
It's pretty sick.
So can you look up into the hole again?
Yes, you just got dripped on.
Yeah.
How's that looking? Can I see with the... Can I film? Ooh. It looks so beautiful in camera. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful work.
Yeah.
The light is so beautiful.
Alright, hell yeah. Oh, one more time, sorry, you went on that one.
Ah, you goofed it. They're looking so gorgeous. Wow, so gorgeous.
Yeah, I think I like that one.
The depth is amazing.
I really like that one too.
That way.
At me. Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah, of course I am. This is my job. Another pipe. This kind of makes me think the river is fake. Or the waterfalls are fake. Conspiracy. Harley, don't hate me. I forgot that I could zoom.
Did you say zoom?
Yeah. Yeah, no, I forgot that I could. Like that it was an option. So nothing zoomed up until now.
And then you're going to wait to look up. Okay.